All right, it says which equation matches the function in the graph, and then all the choices have sine. So we got to think about the parent function of sine and what's going on. So let's review what sine is. So sine, if I sketch it out, it has a range of -1 to 1 and a period of 2 pi. So it starts at the origin, goes up, comes down, goes up again, and its period is 2 pi. If I look at this function, it almost looks like this was, and then this hump right here is pi over 2. It almost looks like it was shifted to the left, right? Doesn't that point look like this point here? So I think it was horizontally shifted. I better write the regular Z. You guys don't know cursive letters. It looks like it was horizontally shifted. Of pi over 2. Okay. So if it was horizontally shifted pi over 2, remember that that would just be written like this: y equals sine of x minus c, where c is the horizontal shift. But it was shifted to the left pi over 2, so really it's y equals sine of x, and going to the left would be negative. And remember, when you take the negative of the negative, you have a positive. So the answer is y equals sine of x plus pi over 2.